Next to digitization, one of the key trends affecting the German mechanical engineering industry will be that the global economy will stay extremely volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. So the key word here is VUCA. And if we look at the global economy, I think the Chinese market will stay one of the growth drivers. And if we look at this market in particular, the mid-end segment will be which is driving the growth. And therefore good enough products will be needed for this market. And I think next to the Chinese market, the US market will also keep its importance.
Well, there are a couple of trends. I mean, over a long term, we already see the trend towards digitization in our smart factory solutions. That means we have worked since, I would say, 20 years on the connectivity of our machines, and we see that also at our competitors ongoing, that all the machines on the shop floor will be connected sooner or later. As an additional trend, we see the trend towards automation already also in the last 10 years, and we push that forward when it comes to indoor tracking, for example, but also to have a seamless production in our process steps. What we see in addition at the moment is a trend towards artificial intelligence, which will help our customers that they can focus on to work on the process instead of having a lot of people working in the process.
Procurement as we know it today, I think will change dramatically. It will be turned upside down. Already a lot of CPOs have procurement on their roadmap as one of the key things they want to do for the future. However, digitization in many ways is misunderstood as automation as a leverage to increase efficiency. We see many startups coming up in the market offering solutions with great technology which can be implemented in a very short time. However, it's important to not only focus on efficiency, but to also create value for your organization.
Procurement is hit by the same impact as all the other indirect functions, meaning everything that can be digitized will be digitized sooner or later. Everything that we can automate will be automated, and everything that can be connected, both within the company but also beyond the borders of the company, will be connected. That means in explicit that every purchasing person needs to rethink their role as being a strategic business partner, not only a transactional business partner. And that also means that we need to shift the people that are working in the process, very transactional today, towards strategic advisors that work on the process as such, and creating business value for the business, but also for the network of their ecosystem.
But we have to accept that we live in a VUCA world. We cannot change the world as it is, so we need to develop a digitization strategy. But at the same time, we have to balance the opportunities of digitization and the requirements of the business of today as it is today. But next to all the digitization talk, it's about getting the right people on board, interesting talents, as well as experienced professionals. So we in TRUMPF are working hard to be an interesting employer, and we in purchasing have to make sure we are the place people want to work at. So we are very happy to receive your application. Thank you.